Going from side hustle to six figures sounds like a dream, but with the right automation, it can be your reality. In this video, I'll share exactly how I scaled a simple side hustle into a six-figure income stream using systems that run on autopilot. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more proven income strategies that actually work. Let's get started. 1. Starting small with a simple side hustle. I began with a small idea that required minimal upfront investment or technical skill. My side hustle was manageable alongside my full-time job, giving me steady extra cash. I tested different markets and found what people actually wanted before going deeper. Focusing on a problem I understood helped me design solutions people would pay for. Early success came from consistent daily effort, even if just 30 minutes to 1 hour. I tracked every dollar earned and reinvested profits to improve my product and service. I avoided distractions and doubled down on the side hustle's growth potential consistently. Understanding my audience early helped me craft better marketing and improve my offers. I set clear financial goals that pushed me to scale beyond simple side income quickly. 2. Discovering automation tools to save time. I researched and tested many automation tools that could reduce manual tasks and save hours. From email marketing software to workflow automation, I found ways to delegate repetitive jobs. Automating social media posts allowed me to maintain a presence without daily intervention. I used scheduling apps to queue customer follow-ups and nurture my leads automatically. Payment and invoicing automation made cash flow seamless and reduced administrative stress. Automated customer support bots answered common questions, freeing me to focus on growth. Automation was the key to scaling while keeping my day job and personal life balanced well. I focused on tools that offered scalability and affordable pricing for a growing business. 3. Building a sales funnel that converts consistently. I created a simple but effective sales funnel to turn visitors into paying customers fast. Lead magnets like free ebooks or guides helped me collect emails and build trust quickly. I set up automated email sequences to nurture leads and educate them about my offerings. Using targeted landing pages, I ensured visitors understood the value and were ready to buy. Split testing headlines, offers, and call to actions helped me optimize for higher conversions. Integrating payment gateways made the checkout process seamless and trustworthy for buyers. I monitored funnel analytics to spot drop-off points and fix friction in the buyer's journey. Automation tools triggered upsells and cross-sells based on customer purchase behavior. This funnel generated a steady flow of revenue without me having to do manual selling. 4. Outsourcing repetitive and time-consuming tasks. I hired virtual assistants to handle routine tasks like email management and customer service. Outsourcing content creation freed me to focus on strategy and product development more. Delegating social media management boosted my brand presence while saving my energy. I used freelance platforms to find specialized help for graphic design and video editing. Outsourcing tasks allowed me to scale quickly without getting bogged down by minutiae. I created clear instructions and workflows to ensure consistency from every outsourced job. Regular check-ins with my team helped maintain quality and timely delivery across all projects. By offloading time-consuming work, I created space for creative and strategic thinking. Outsourcing became a multiplier for growth, expanding my capacity without raising stress. 5. Scaling up with paid advertising campaigns. Once I had a working funnel, I reinvested profits into paid ads for faster audience growth. Facebook and Google Ads helped me reach new customers beyond organic traffic reach. I used precise targeting to ensure my ads were shown to people most likely to buy fast. Running split tests on ad creatives and copy helped identify top-performing campaigns. Ad automation tools let me pause or scale budgets automatically based on performance. Tracking conversions and ROI closely ensured every dollar spent brought measurable returns. I started small with daily budgets and increased spend as I confirmed profitable results. Retargeting campaigns brought back visitors who didn't buy the first time for second chances. Ads helped me grow my email list and sales exponentially without extra manual effort. 6. creating evergreen content for long-term leads. I developed content that would stay relevant and attract leads consistently over time. Blog posts, videos, and guides answered common questions my audience frequently searched. Using SEO strategies helped my content rank on Google and YouTube to bring organic traffic. Evergreen content builds authority and trust by solving problems long after initial publication. I linked all content back to my sales funnel to capture and nurture interested visitors. Repurposing content into multiple formats maximized reach and engagement across platforms. Regularly updating content ensured it stayed accurate and maintained strong search rankings. Creating evergreen resources reduced my reliance on paid ads and one-time promotions. This passive lead source contributed steadily to my monthly income and business growth. 7. Tracking metrics to optimize growth and income. I regularly reviewed key metrics like conversion rates, click-throughs, and revenue per lead. Using dashboards, I tracked which products, ads, and funnels performed best or needed fixes. Analyzing data helped me identify bottlenecks and optimize every stage of my business flow. I split-tested landing pages, email sequences, and ads to continually improve performance. I kept an eye on customer feedback and retention metrics to boost lifetime value consistently. Automation tools provided detailed reports that made it easier to make data-driven decisions. Tracking spending against income ensured I stayed profitable while scaling ad campaigns. I set weekly and monthly goals to maintain steady progress toward my six-figure target. Using metrics prevented guesswork and let me invest time and money where it mattered most. 8. Balancing automation with personal branding. While automation handled most tasks, I maintained a personal touch in my messaging. I shared occasional behind-the-scenes stories to build deeper connections with my audience. Using email sequences, I included personalized notes to avoid sounding robotic or cold. Automation freed my time but did not replace the genuine relationships that drive loyalty. I strategically showed my face or voice in select videos to humanize my brand subtly. Maintaining authenticity helped my audience feel connected and invested in my success. Personal branding boosted referral rates and organic growth beyond paid advertising reach. 9. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. I faced technical glitches, slow growth phases, and self-doubt throughout my journey. Learning new tools felt overwhelming initially, but persistence helped me push through. I joined communities and mentorship programs to stay accountable and gain support. Celebrating small wins kept my motivation high and encouraged me to keep experimenting. Failures taught me valuable lessons about what works and what to avoid in automation. I kept a daily routine that balanced work, rest, and learning to prevent burnout effectively. Visualizing the six-figure goal helped me maintain focus when progress seemed slow. I automated repetitive tasks to reduce stress and free mental space for strategic thinking. 10. Planning for long-term growth and sustainability. I set quarterly and yearly goals beyond six figures to keep pushing my business forward. Planning for scaling involved more automation, outsourcing, and new product development. I reinvested profits into tools, education, and hiring experts to maintain competitive advantage. Creating multiple income streams protected me from risks tied to a single product or channel. I planned for market changes by staying updated on trends and evolving customer needs. Building a strong brand helped create loyalty that survives algorithm or platform shifts. Long-term planning focused on building assets that generate income with minimal input. I established legal and financial structures to protect my income and reduce tax burdens. This mindset shift from hustle to strategy secured my path to a stable six-figure income. Automation turned my side hustle into a serious income machine, and you can do it too. What part of this strategy are you ready to apply today? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on scaling side hustles, building passive income, and creating real financial freedom. Stay tuned for more.